మన హెల్త్ అయినా ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇప్పుడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అ ర్యాట్ రేస్. వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు విన్ హియర్. అంత కాంపిటీషన్ ఏం లేదు. ది ఓన్లీ థింగ్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ రైట్ నౌ ఇస్ టు సర్వైవ్ అండ్ సేవ్ యువర్ లైఫ్. యూ నీడ్ టు బీ అలైవ్. బతకాలి మనం. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఆల్ ద ప్రికాషన్స్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు లైక్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్ జస్ట్ టు బీ అలైవ్. అంతే. So with that, I wanted to just say hi. It's been a minute that I've done this lives, and I'm doing the live and just tonight. I'm doing this live to tell you something which happened to me in this couple of weeks. So before that, hi everyone. I hope you all are fine. Hello, andarki hi. Let's be Atmanirbhar, like my friend said, Teja. So I'm good. I hope మీరందరు బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. హలో అందరికీ. నేను I want to wrap it. We just need to be alive, and that's it. You need to take care of yourself. And ఇది ఎలా చెప్పాలో అర్థం కావట్లేదు. But I am not here to answer your questions today. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. But I thank you so much. You're looking awesome, Manal. But I need to tell you something. And this is more about women and women health. So I'm going to. It's like a disclaimer. Can English lone I'll only talk in English. I'm so sorry. So I can explain much more better than this. Can Telugu lo try chestanu, but this is more about my health and women's, basically ఆడవాళ్ళ ఆరోగ్యం గురించి. And before, it's a disclaimer, I'm going to talk more about my ovaries and my periods. So people who are still uncomfortable about periods and women and ovaries, please leave the live if you can't tolerate all this. But and also ఎవరికి నా పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ గురించి ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయో, you can also leave. I'm not here to answer this bullshit questions you have. వీడితో ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదు, వాడితో ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదు అని. అయిపోయింది బిగ్ బాస్ అనేది. that shit is over, and I think we need to like realize that it, like, you know, world is falling apart, and I have a lot of other things to deal with. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to discuss about my personal life. So here it is. I've been diagnosed with PCOS, and it's called polycystic ovarian syndrome, and it's also called PCOD, but it's basically PCOS. And I've been diagnosed almost for 10 years ankunta. And I'll tell you a clear thing, what is PCOS ani. PCOS అనేది చాలా మంది, there's a lot of stigma around PCOS. So I wrote a lot of things. I just wanted to like give you a brief about what is PCOS. So it's been 2 weeks that ఒక 1 month నుంచి I didn't feel myself, and I've been working out every day, and I've been working out vigorously every day. Maybe I missed once or like 1-2 days in between, but I'm not losing weight. I felt like shit. I felt like utter shit. But still, I'm not losing weight, and also I'm not gaining weight. I was like, okay, ee state lo unnanu, okay, I'm in this state ani. So that is when I realized, I compared myself right now that I am in my 20s, and myself like 4 years back, how active I was. So I was doing the same thing again, but I got a lot of results 4 years back when I did the same thing. But now it became so hard. It's a story. When I was in 10th grade, I think in my 10th, there was 1 month I didn't get my period for like at least 5 months, and all of a sudden I got my period for a month. Like I was spotting 1 whole month, and I was in hostel. Vijayawada lo chadukunnappudu in hostel lo unnanu. I was in hostel. So I went to a dingy hospital, OBGYN. I went to this tiny hospital, and I never knew that this was pretty serious. It's about hormones and all. So I've been there and I'm sure she prescribed me with hormone pills. And vaguely I remember I did not understand what was happening to my body. And I took them for a month. And and with that, I was a sports captain, so I had to, like, I was very active. And after a couple of months it went away. It vanished, and it was normal. I got my period like every month, so it was fine. And I didn't realize that this hormone imbalance will come back again, biting my ass. So, and PCOS is something which is, I realized later on that it's not curable. It's going to come back again and again and again if you do not take care of your body. మీ బాడీ నువ్వు జాగ్రత్తగా తీసుకోపోతే it will come back. And there is so much stigma around PCOS and nobody talks about it. ఎవరు దాని గురించి మాట్లాడరు. And a lot of women here, they don't understand what is hormonal imbalance. A lot of women, they think this is going to go away if they avoid it. It won't go away. I'll tell you the symptoms of PCOS. And PCOS symptoms are, you will feel the mood swings, you will have hormonal acne, you will feel overweight, and period irregularities, and also food sensitivity, and your insulin will go up above the roof. That's why you actually gain weight. So insulin ఎక్కువ అయినప్పుడు overweight అవుతారు. So I am learning all this, and I realized that I've always had PCOS, and I've never took care of my body. I've never taken care of it. And one day this week I thought, okay, what is happening? What is wrong with my body? Okay, checkup చేయించుకోవాలి. I think I need to like go get my body checked up and what's happening with my body. And that is when I realized that I got my reports, I got blood test, I got like scannings, and that's when my OBGYN told me that I've been diagnosed with PCOS. So PCOS లో కూడా levels ఉంటాయి, and I am in the mild level, and it's like a normal hormone levels where you can actually like take care of it if you do lifestyle changes, if you like make a lot of lifestyle changes. And I want a lot of women to talk about it. This is why I'm actually sharing my story. It's been like a week. It's been a week that my doctor told me that I have PCOS, and it's going to take me more than 3 to 6 months to actually get this in control. Because when you have PCOS, for you to lose weight at least 1-2 kgs, it's compared to a normal person, compared to a normal woman, it's going to take me at least 3-4 months. And this is a very long journey. And it's very tough. I'm like smiling now, and I'm talking about it, but I was freaking deep. This is something which has, it's different. There whatever the cure or the chronicness of this thing, this PCOS, it could be like till 6 months to a year or your rest of the life. It all depends on the lifestyle changes you do. And PCOS cannot be cured. It can only be maintained and normalized. And to do that, the first thing, and like 5 to 6 important things you need to do is, first is workout. You have to work out. You need to eat good food. You need to have a proper nutritional food, and you need to take care of your skin, because you will have a lot of hormonal acne. Luckily I do not have hormonal acne right now, but a lot of other women, it's like a symptom, and they suffer from this. So you need to take care of your body a lot, and you need to reduce this endocrine disruptors, which are alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, and soy products. And you have to swap whatever you're drinking. Like your drinking glass or water bottle should be a glass bottle or a copper bottle. Please do not avoid plastic, because every woman, their hormones are different. So when you're actually diagnosed with PCOS, I feel like it's different for every woman. And my OBGYN, I don't want to offend her, I don't want to offend anyone, but the first thing she did was to prescribe me with birth control. Birth control is something, she did not give me birth control uh, so I can use it like for other purposes, but she gave me birth control so I can actually I don't know what we all know what birth control does, but I don't know in this PCOS way, I don't know how birth control is going to control my hormones. So she prescribed me that, and she also prescribed me metformin, which is an insulin cutter. So I've been taking metformin for a while. I feel okay, but I have a lot of questions of for birth control, because birth control is something, a big no for a lot of women. I understand. So I've never tried it. I don't know how it'll go. So I am actually looking at some other ways of treating it. There are a lot of ways, like people are suggesting me Ayurvedic way, homeopathy, and there's natural way. There's naturally, you can actually like just take care of yourself properly and it'll go away. So I'm just going to like go through all the things I wrote. So before, once